Imagine standing in front of someone twice your size. Intimidating presence. Most people would think that they're never able to down them. But what if I told you that size alone doesn't win fights? Skill does. That's exactly why Muay Thai is called the art of 8 limbs. It's one of the most effective striking martial arts in the world, using your fists, elbows, knees, and legs as weapons. But before you get excited, if you think you're going to master Muay Thai just by watching a few YouTube videos, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. You won't even be able to throw a proper knee. Your balance will be off, your stance will feel awkward, and most of your techniques simply won't work against a real person. And if your only motivation is because you saw an anime character or a cool edit on social media, that excitement will probably last a few days, maybe a week. Then you'll skip one training session, then another, and before you realize it, you've completely quit. So if that's your reason for watching this video, this probably isn't for you. But if you're genuinely serious about learning Muay Thai, stay with me, because in this video, I'll teach you the fundamentals, exactly the way a beginner should learn them. We'll start with the stance, then movement, basic strikes, and finally a structured 30-day training plan that follows the same progression a coach would introduce to a complete beginner. So let's begin. First thing, your stance. Every great fighter starts with one thing, not punches, not kicks, their stance. Because your stance determines your balance, power, defense, and movement. Stand with one foot slightly in front of the other. If you're right-handed, keep your left foot forward. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart. Keep your knees slightly bent, not locked. Raise both hands to protect your face. Your chin stays tucked, shoulders relaxed, and keep your weight balanced, so you can move in any direction instantly. Second thing, movement. Now that you're standing correctly, learn to move. Never cross your feet. Instead, step in the direction you want to go using the foot on that side. Then bring the other foot with it. Forward, backward, left, right. Small and controlled steps. Third, body weapons. Muay Thai is known as the art of 8 limbs because it uses 8 points of contact. Your fists, your elbows, your knees, and your shins. Each has a specific purpose. Your jab measures distance and sets up attacks. Your elbows are devastating at close range. Your knees punish opponents inside the clinch. And your kicks generate force, using your hips, not just your legs. One important thing beginners forget: power doesn't come from swinging harder. It comes from proper technique, balance, and timing. Most people said, make a Muay Thai video. But after learning what Muay Thai actually takes, maybe only 1% of you still serious. If you watch this entire video and still want to start, comment upload. When I see enough people who are actually serious, I'll make the next video, a complete 30-day Muay Thai plan, day by day. I'll show you exactly what to practice at home. Even if you've never trained before, this video is enough to get your answer. Subscribe for the real system.